focused on your Scantron. Okay, I'm looking around. Some people have like a bunch of papers in front of them. Some just have their Scantron. So I want to make sure we're on the same page. We're not touching any other paper right now. Number 2 is A. We're not talking about anything. Number 3, I haven't memorized that, so it's B. Number 4 is A. And I want your red and your green sheet. So, I have my analysis sheet, my red and my green sheet, and I have my Scantron next to each other. Good job, Omar. Good job, Yara. Okay, should look like this on my desk. So, I'm going to go down, and remember, guys, your red and green sheet, your analysis sheet is not in numerical order. It's ordered by the student expectations, the SEs. So, number 1 is really like 18 up there. So make sure we're looking in the right place so that we do not get confused. So I'm going to look and I'm going to check and see, did I miss 18? If I did not miss 18, I color it green. Or, if I didn't have my colors, I'm going to put a smiley face. Okay, so if I did not bring my markers to class today, that's okay. If I did, it looks like this. If I did not, I can either put a check or an X, or I can put a happy face and a sad face. So everybody see that? If I get a sad face, or the red one, I'm going to write out some stuff to the side, just like we did the last time. I know some of you are already like doing the math in your head, and that's okay. They are about 5.5 points apiece. I know that's kind of weird. They're 5.5 points apiece, so let's see if you do your own math.
Okay, what are you going to do for the ones that you marked red?
I'm going to write why I got wrong.
Cool. Go for it.
2014 WMS student data form should be taped into your folder. Okay, it said first 6 weeks. I know this is little, but I want you to be able to see the whole thing. So, my first 6 weeks grade goal. A couple of weeks ago, y'all all made up your own goal for what you wanted your report card grade to be. So, you wrote it there. Then you got your report card last week. Guys, if you don't remember your exact grade, that's okay. It's kind of my fault for not reminding you to bring your report card. But what do you remember that you got for science? If you're not grounded, then you probably at least passed. So figure out, what does your mom and dad normally expect from you? Maybe you have your report card with you. Good one, that's great. Okay, write down what your science grade was for this 6 weeks. If I put down that my grade was a 90, or that I wanted a 90, and my grade was an 84, did I reach my goal?
No.
Yes. No. So you're going to look, did I reach it? Yes or no? Circle one. 10 seconds.
You should know what your grades are at all times.
Okay, moving down here. Guys, this is a time for us to really think about our grade and if we got what we wanted. There's this little chart here. At the top of the chart it says, what actions led to this result? We are going to, in our own minds, think about 3 things that led to me either reaching my goal or not reaching my goal. Wrote down, don't move, it's okay. Our class will understand elements versus compounds. Look at numbers 4 and 8. Don't move. numbers 4 and 8 on your red and green data sheet. That's our 6 weeks goal. If you got 4 and 8 correct, both of them correct, they're both green, circle a 10. If you got one of them correct, circle a 5. If you missed both number 4 and number 8, I would like for you to circle a 1. We're going to talk about who's coming to tutorials. I will read this. If you circled a 10, your name would be on this side of the door, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you've circled a 1 and you got both of them wrong, your name is on this side of the door. Probably more likely. Yes? You're shaking your head? Okay. So, what does that mean? What do you think that means? Adam? No, I want you to answer my question. Miguel?
If you're on this side, it means that you understand what we've been doing the 6 weeks, and you're on that side, you did it.
Okay, so what should you have done?
What?
What does this visual show you that you should have done?
I made a 10.
Jace?
Use your time wisely and come for tutorial.
Come for tutorials.